Beth asked Rick to build her some horrifying inventions. This list of inventions Beth requested from Rick as a child sounds like things you would find in the playroom of the kid from The Omen if he was a demented super genius. Ray guns, a whip that forces people to like you, invisibility cuffs, a parent trap, a lightning gun, a teddy bear with anatomically correct innards, night vision googly eyeglasses, sound erasing sneakers, false fingerprints, fall asleep darts, a lie detecting doll, an indestructible baseball bat. In Beth's defense, Rick actually went ahead and built all of these inventions for her. That's not exactly a plus parenting right there. While listing the items he's built for Beth, both speak to Beth's desire for power and unconditional love. She is constantly neglecting her children. Beth is not a good mother, and there's ample evidence of that. In Morty's Mind Blowers, there is a sequence in which Morty is being overtaken by a massive parasite that can only be stopped by the power of love. After showering her son with affection for about 15 seconds, she gets impatient and starts making light of the whole scenario. She even laughs about it, all while her son is in tremendous pain. In the Whirly Direly conspiracy, Beth makes it abundantly clear that she has no idea how to help her children with even the most basic life problems. When Summer needs a little reassurance that she's pretty, has no idea what to say to her. She tells Morty later, "I don't know what to do when you people come to me with your weird puberty issues." Also, her insecurities often get in the way of her doing the right thing. In the same episode, Beth tries to shrink her daughter back to normal size after she is accidentally turned into a giant. The problem is she is totally unwilling to ask her father for help, even though the issue is way out of her hands. Growing frustrated, Morty compares his mother to Rick in a less than flattering way. "You want to be like Rick? Congratulations. You're just as arrogant and just as irresponsible." Beth looks up to Rick for all the wrong reasons. Beth may be full of insecurities, but she also displays some traits of the narcissistic superiority that her father is known for. Like her father, she is unable to take the blame for her own faults and is way too forgiving of Rick and herself. This is especially apparent in Pickle Rick, where Rick blows off the family's therapy session for completely selfish reasons. Not only does Beth encourage his unhealthy behaviors, she actively defends his obvious lies to her children and the therapist. She definitely pushed Tommy into the honey swamp. According to Tommy, Beth's childhood friend Beth's jealousy of his friends and loving father made her lead Tommy into Fruitaland to eliminate him. While his back was turned, Beth pushed him into the honey swamp where he was left to drown. This is evidence of the twisted coping mechanisms Beth uses to deal with her feelings of jealousy and insecurity when it comes to her father. Could her insatiable bloodlust have driven her to be a horse surgeon? Young Beth clearly has no qualms with killing, or at the very least horribly maiming, both people and animals who cross her sociopath. One of the items that young Beth requested from Rick may have been a reference to her eventual career as a horse surgeon. She displays a morbid curiosity of anatomy from a young age, prompting her to ask her father to build her a teddy bear with anatomically correct innards. Beth is giving off a serious Dexter vibe here, possibly working her way into a job that allows her to fulfill her thirst for blood and gore. It's quite possible that Beth has killed several children and animals. Beth blames Rick for many of her problems. Beth blames Rick for many of her problems. Even at a young age, Rick could tell there was something wrong with Beth. Even at a young age, Rick could tell there was something wrong with Beth.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.